welcome back to my channel, and today it is Saturday. I'm with my friend Clyde, and today we will be going to we are at the library. Plus, it's been a long time since we've been here together, because we need to do some school projects. So let's meet up with my friends. So this is my friend Clyde, and this is me, Jason. This is my friend Yun. This is my friend. This is my friend Excel.
Pas tuh atas. Tenang. Kita kan bawa sama atas. Di atas.
This one is still few metals. Skin. Okay, so this is the instruction, this is the box, and that is the Beyblade.
This is my link.
And that is the sticker. And this is Clyde. This is his Beyblade. Okay. Here guys, this is pure metal. So everything costs RM 150 plus.
100.
100 ringgit. So it is original because it is pure metal. As you can see down here, it's metal. This is metal. Everything is metal. It's pure metal, which means it's original. So that's it. Sorry guys, this is plastic. This is plastic. All of it are plastic. The others are metal.
Dia sama dengan begini kan, terus maximum power.